Welcome to part 2 of HAP 6.2 tutorial. In this session we will continue from where we left. Okay, so in this tutorial we will learn how to define building components. Let's start. See, before that one, this is office building. Okay, a small office building for only practice purpose, and so about HAP 6.2. In part 1 we already show you that how to set weather, okay, in very details. If you have not seen that video, then I request you please go and watch the part 1 so that this part you will understand clearly. Okay, and this is existing, so I open project, and now we learn building floor plan. See, so here only option is given import floor plan drawings and building wizards. So we will go only import floor plan, and next, this is office building. See, ground floor only, so single level. Okay, at and above grade only. If building is multiple level, you can select here and give the story. Okay, here, but this building is single floor, so I will select single level, right? And building grade, so this is at grade. Okay, there is no any basement. And next, confirmation. Okay, finish. Now this will open. Okay, here the building name. First we have to define building name. Then what is building name? This is office building, so I will write office building, right? And ceiling space. See, here ceiling is given 8 feet, right? And wall is 10 feet. Here wall height is 10 feet, ceiling is 8 feet. I will mention here, I will select ceiling space. Okay, and level to level height and floor to ceiling height. So here it is in mm. What I will do, I have to change the unit. Okay, so how I will change? Just click OK and preferences IP. Okay, now here floor to ceiling height is 8 feet already, and level to level height is 10 feet, right? Window, what is window? Here it is given window is 5 feet into 5 feet, but there is no any seal height given, so I accept that opening elevation is 3 feet. Okay, if you have any data, you can put it here, right? So this is ceiling space, and level to level height I already mentioned here, all these things. Next is floor plan image. So I have to import this plan as a PDF or as an image. We have to import here. Okay, so I already make it in PDF. So I select here and click open. See, if you by mistake if you select any other PDF, then you can omit here. You can click and omit here. Okay, now I need this both. Okay, so now finish. Double click on floor plan, check. Okay, everything is okay. See, but here it is showing a scale not set and also direction. So direction is north, is above. What is here? See, the direction north is above, so it is correct. No need to set the direction. Okay, if you have different direction, you can set from here. Okay, here north is above. And a scale, so if the drawing is given in a scale, you can select directly, but I recommend always double check by clicking on sketch, and from this point to this point, what is 18 feet, right? 18 feet. And okay, so now it is a scale, right? See, from it will slightly differ because you cannot make it more precise because of the PDF. See, 18 feet approx, so it is okay. So I did direction and scale, both is now set. Now click OK. See, the mark is here. This symbol is for scale and this symbol is for direction. Okay, so what about this floor plan, this roof plan? And if you have multiple plan, so you cannot go one by one and set this both thing. So simply if you select this one, now you can simply copy and come click here and paste. See, this is also size. Okay, now go to next, labels, and here is label given. See, current label given. What is here? Label 1 is given, but I have, you can say label 1, but I generally use ground floor. So you can edit this one, and make here label 1 ground. Okay, ground floor, right? And also here option, if ground floor is given a different level to level height and ceiling height, you can modify here override. Okay, only ground floor will be effect or override, but I have only one floor plan and the height is same. Okay, so I go okay, and here only one ground floor, right? There is no any roof plan. Okay, I show you how to add roof plan. See, ground floor is one, so I will come here and select this is ground floor. Okay, so I will select ground. Here ground floor, this is select ground floor. Okay, so that software will know that which one is the ground floor and which one is the roof, right? Now I have also roof. So how we will add? Simply here action. See, action, I will add roof. Roof is given here, roof, and roof is above level ground floor. Yes, now okay, roof. Okay, roof is selected. Now I have to choose the roof. This is roof, So ground floor is this one and roof is this one, right? Okay, let's come on ground floor, and I have to mark here for the align, you know, ground floor, and because this is the picture only for software, so I have to align ground floor and roof. So what I will do, I have to, here this alignment is lock position. Okay, so I will click unlock this one and add marker. We have to add a fixed point. We have to choose one fixed point so that roof and that point should come on all plan, right? So if I will select door, then at the roof there is no any door, so we cannot select the door, and I have to choose only common things. So this corner, see, all these four corner is common in the roof also. Okay, now I add the marker here, but I cannot move this drawing. See, the floor plan I cannot move. Why? Because the floor plan is lock position here. See, so I will unlock this one and now I can move. I will mark. If I want to change marker name, I can change here, okay, by clicking double, but I don't want to change. Now I can lock and lock. This is common point. Okay, same thing I have to do all levels. Okay, the roof also. See, now I cannot move the marker. Okay, if I will move the marker, then all level marker will be moved. So now I need to only move the floor plan, right? So here I will click unlock this one and here, see. Okay, now lock the position. Okay, done. See, the floor plan and both this plan is now mark and align. Now we will move next. We will move next. Here wall space. So here it is given the tools, some tools. Okay, so I will click to mark the openings, the rectangles. If I will select, I have to here, just if it is rectangle. Okay, not too precise. Also you can mark here, mark here, you can mark. This is a space I am marking only. Okay, because this is different space. Now I mark all these things space. Okay, if you want to name here office 4, so double click office 4. If you want to change anything, you can change here, then only office 4 will be effect. Okay, office 3, office Theory, this is bath. No, bath. Okay, here office 1, office 1, here office 2, here. See, now I or the name of the office. Okay, I already renamed the all the spaces which I created with the help of this tool, right? What if okay, good. Now we will move here, or we can see, we can come here roof, and also I can mark similarly. Okay, or we can copy directly here. We can come here, copy perimeter from ground floor, right? Copy perimeter from level ground floor to the current level. No, okay, I did mistake. I have to come here, select the roof and copy perimeter from ground floor, right? And yes, see, this is the wall which I created. Okay, you can see in also 3D here, see, which is perfect align the roof and the wall, right? If it will not align, then roof will be somewhere else, the floor plan will be somewhere else, it will mismatch, right? So wall and spaces, space and roof. Okay, now also software don't know which one is the external wall and which one is internal wall, so I have to assign here. Okay, edit group. See the ear walls here. What means ear walls? Ear walls is if some space is very big. Okay, so imaginary we can divide that space in 2 parts or 3 parts. Okay, in that situation we use ear walls. Okay, it is imaginary walls, right? And it will divide in zones if we put the ear walls. Okay, here you can add, here you can add external. There is 2 external wall, right? External wall, and one is internal wall. Okay, and close. Now which one is external wall? I have to assign. External wall is this one. See, this, 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 if it will not click, then you can zoom more to assign the walls. Okay, it is not detecting. See, now it's detect. So I request you that if you have time, free time, then you can watch my tutorial, because I make very clearly. Okay, and in slow, right? See, internal wall now I can assign. This is all internal wall, like partition wall, whatever you can say. Right, internal wall. I assign all internal wall. Okay. Now I have to see, nothing will be changed here, but I already told the software that which one is external and which one is the internal. Accordingly it will calculate the heat and cooling load. Now we have to come opening. Now see, the window, I already told you that window is 5 feet into 5 feet, right? So here there is no window opening here, so I have come here. Here is different type window, like single window, and create a stack window. So I select single window, and name you can see window 1, width 5 feet, 5 feet, elevation 3 feet. Okay. Okay. Now I have to assign the window here. Here you can select, see, here is one window. Now copy this one and paste. See, copy and come here, paste. Not coming sometimes. This is different. I assign all the window. Here also one window. Okay, see, but here bathroom window is small, I think, right? So I can create different window. Window 2, there is no any data given, so I assume that it is 2 feet and 2 feet, right? See, everything is, I assign only external. I have to assign, right? External window, wall, all these things, no need to assign internally. And what about this door? If it is given some data for door, no. So there is no given data, so I assume also the door here, this is create a door, D1, height is 6 feet 8 inch, so I assume okay 6 feet, and width is, I took default. Okay, and come here, assign door. See, now I assign all the window and door. Only externally I have to assign, no need to go internal. Okay, opening. Now see, in 3D you can see the window is assigned here, the door, everything I assign. Okay, now click OK. This office floor plan I already assigned all the things. So I hope you learned something from this video. If you learned something from this video, then please comment, subscribe, and if you have any doubt, comment below. I will reply, inshallah. Okay, in part 3 I will show you about a space model, which is very, very important. In that one we have to assign about the spaces, okay, ventilation, infiltration, and unconditional spaces, all the things I have to assign. So please watch on my part 3. Bye bye. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.